Hello and welcome to Beae. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you one of the basic elements in Beae app, which is tabs. Okay, so let's begin with dragging this element into our page to create the tab section. And first of all, we can see here is 3 available tabs, so we're gonna change it. And change tab 1 title, I will change to sale, and this is the icon, so you can use our free icon or upload it your own icon. And that is the HTML tag, and here you can fill out your ID and change the title 2 into terms and conditions. And the setting is staying the same, policy and privacy. Okay, so you can add a new tab or you can change the position of each tab. Yeah, I will put terms and conditions in the middle, and you can show this as vertical. So we'll come to design part. You have the alignment and change the background color. So we recommend you should try each of the function that's staying in Beae app. So change the size of my tabs, and yeah, this is the content. Now we go to the text. Text is the easiest element that you can change, so you can see the text video that I have created. Bold the text, italic or underline it, strike through it and change the color. And come to the design part. It's also very easy. Just try each of them